Today, we are going to talk about Israel's new Iron Dome, the most advanced defense system yet, and why it is being called one of the smartest and fastest shield systems ever created to protect a nation from modern threats. The Iron Dome is not just one machine or one weapon. It is a complete defense network designed to detect, track, calculate, and destroy incoming threats in the air before they can hit cities, bases, or critical areas. This system was created because Israel faces constant danger from rockets, missiles, drones, and mortars fired from short and medium ranges, and normal air defenses were too slow or too expensive to stop such large numbers of cheap rockets. The new version of Iron Dome is more advanced than ever before, using better radar, faster computers, smarter software, and more accurate interceptor missiles that can react in seconds. At the heart of Iron Dome is its radar system, which scans the sky day and night in all weather, searching for anything flying toward Israeli territory. When a rocket is launched, the radar sees it almost instantly and sends its data to a command center that calculates the rocket's speed, direction, and final landing point. If the system decides the rocket will fall in an empty field, sea, or open land, it ignores it to save money and missiles. But if it will hit a city, village, base, or important site, the system orders an interceptor to launch. This decision happens in just a few seconds, faster than any human could react, making Iron Dome a fully automated defense system. The new Iron Dome uses improved radar that can track many more targets at the same time, even if hundreds of rockets are launched together in a swarm attack. Older systems could be overwhelmed by large numbers, but the new version is built to handle massive barrages without slowing down. Its computers use advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to predict flight paths more accurately than before. This makes interceptions more reliable and reduces wasted missiles. The interceptor missile used by Iron Dome is called Tamir, and the newest Tamir missiles are faster, smarter, and more precise. They are guided by radar and onboard sensors that allow them to adjust their path in midair to hit fast-moving targets. Each Tamir missile is designed to explode near the enemy rocket, destroying it in the air so debris falls away from people. The new version has better sensors, stronger engines, and improved control systems. This means it can hit smaller, faster, and more complex targets like drones and cruise missiles. One of the biggest upgrades in the new Iron Dome is its ability to fight drones, which have become a major threat in modern warfare. Drones can fly low, slow, and quietly, making them hard to detect with old radars. The new Iron Dome uses special radar modes and sensors to detect even small drones and track them accurately. It can shoot them down with interceptor missiles or guide other defense systems to destroy them. This makes it a multi-role defense system, not just anti-rocket. Another major improvement is how Iron Dome connects with other defense systems. Israel uses a layered defense strategy, meaning different systems protect against different types of threats. Iron Dome handles short-range rockets and drones. David's Sling protects against medium-range missiles. Arrow systems defend against long-range ballistic missiles. The new Iron Dome can now share data faster and better with these systems. This creates a single defense network that sees everything and reacts in the best possible way. If Iron Dome cannot handle a target, it can pass the information to another system instantly. The new Iron Dome is also more mobile. Older versions were powerful but took time to move and set up. The new version is designed to be deployed faster and protect new areas quickly. This is important in modern wars where front lines and threats can change suddenly. Mobile launchers, lighter equipment, and faster setup allow Israel to protect cities, bases, and even temporary locations. Another key feature is cost efficiency. Shooting down cheap rockets with expensive missiles is always a problem. The new Iron Dome uses smarter decision-making to reduce wasted interceptions. It only fires when necessary and chooses the best missile for each target. This saves millions of dollars and allows the system to keep working even during long conflicts. Engineers are also working on laser versions of Iron Dome that could destroy rockets with light instead of missiles. This would reduce costs even more. The laser system, sometimes called Iron Beam, is being tested to work together with Iron Dome. In the future, rockets may be destroyed by lasers first, and only difficult targets will need interceptor missiles. This will make the defense system faster, cheaper, and harder to overwhelm. The new Iron Dome is built to survive enemy attacks as well. Its radar, command centers, and launchers are protected and spread out, so they cannot be easily destroyed. Even if one part is damaged, the system can keep working using other parts. This makes it very hard for enemies to disable the defense. Another important upgrade is cybersecurity. Modern wars are not just fought with guns and missiles, but also with computers and hacking. The new Iron Dome has stronger protection against cyber attacks. Its software is constantly updated and monitored to prevent hackers from shutting it down or confusing its data. This makes it safe against digital warfare as well as physical attacks. The speed of the new Iron Dome is one of its most impressive features. From detection to interception can take just a few seconds. This is critical when rockets are launched from nearby areas and reach cities very quickly. The system's fast computers and automatic decisions mean there is almost no delay. Humans still monitor the system, but most actions happen automatically because there is no time to wait for manual orders. Accuracy is also improved. The new system uses better sensors and smarter guidance to increase its success rate. Iron Dome already had a very high interception rate in previous versions. The new version aims to be even better, stopping more rockets with fewer missiles. This makes cities safer and reduces damage and casualties. The new Iron Dome is also designed to work in all weather conditions. Rain, fog, dust, and storms do not stop it from detecting and intercepting targets. This is important because enemies may try to attack during bad weather to avoid detection. The improved radar and sensors make sure the system works 24 hours a day in any environment. Another major strength is its ability to handle mixed attacks. Modern enemies do not use just one type of weapon. They may launch rockets, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles at the same time. The new Iron Dome can focus on short-range threats while sharing data with other systems to handle long-range ones. This teamwork makes the entire defense network stronger. The system is also being improved with lessons from real battles. Every conflict provides data about what worked and what did not. Engineers study this information and update Iron Dome with better software and hardware. This means the system is always evolving and getting smarter. The new Iron Dome is not just for Israel. Other countries are also interested in this technology. Some have already bought older versions, and many are watching the new upgrades closely. Short-range rocket and drone threats exist in many parts of the world. Iron Dome has become a symbol of modern air defense. It shows how technology can protect civilians from sudden attacks. One of the most emotional parts of Iron Dome is its role in saving lives. Without it, many rockets would hit homes, schools, hospitals, and markets. With it, most rockets are destroyed in the sky. People often see explosions in the air and know that the system has just saved them. This gives civilians more confidence and time to take shelter. However, Iron Dome is not perfect. No defense system can stop every single attack. Some rockets may still get through. That is why shelters, sirens, and emergency systems are also important. But Iron Dome greatly reduces the number of hits and the level of destruction. The new version aims to reduce it even more. The future of Iron Dome looks even more advanced. Engineers are working on faster missiles, better radars, stronger lasers, and smarter software. Artificial intelligence will play a bigger role in choosing the best way to stop each threat. The system will become more automatic, more accurate, and more efficient. In the future, it may be able to protect larger areas with fewer resources. The new Iron Dome represents how warfare is changing. Instead of only attacking, countries now focus more on defense. Protecting civilians has become a top priority. Technology like Iron Dome shows that science and engineering can save lives in war, not just destroy them. It also changes enemy strategy. When rockets fail to hit their targets, enemies must rethink their plans. This can reduce the power of terror attacks and pressure groups to find other methods. In this way, Iron Dome is not just a weapon, but also a strategic tool. It changes how wars are fought and how people think about security. The system also creates jobs and advances technology. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and workers are involved in building and improving Iron Dome. Their work leads to new inventions that can be used in civilian life, such as better radar, faster computers, and stronger materials. Defense technology often leads to peaceful technology later. The new Iron Dome is a symbol of modern defense. It is fast, smart, flexible, and powerful. It uses science, computers, and engineering to protect people from sudden danger. It shows how far technology has come and how it can be used to defend instead of attack. As threats continue to change, Iron Dome will also change. New enemies, new weapons, and new tactics will appear. But the system is designed to adapt and improve. This is what makes it one of the most advanced defense systems in the world. In the end, the new Iron Dome is more than just missiles and radars. It is a shield for millions of people. It is a symbol of survival in a dangerous region.